Hi there, welcome to John Jacobs Studio. We are art restorers and art consultants, and in this video we're going to be cleaning and presenting this lovely painting of two hunting dogs, and it's by Charles Kingsley, so it's a named artist and it's got a bit of history to it. It's not very dirty, but it's still a bit yellowy, so it could do with a bit of a clean and a new coat of varnish just to brighten it up a bit. And you can see here I'm cleaning it with a water-based solution, ammonia solution. It's not previously been varnished, so it's only surface grime, and there's a slight improvement. It's not that dirty, but it does improve rather nicely. So once I've done that, I can now apply the coat of varnish. Here I'm varnishing it, and you can see that already the colours come out nicer. So you can see it's brightened up quite a bit, and you can really see the perspective. The skies come out and the dogs are really shining in the front. So that little clean and that new coat of varnish really made a big difference. And then we've made a frame up for it, and we've got this nice classic large gold frame. It's not a wooden frame, it's an imitation gold frame, but it's this picture is going into auction, and the client just wanted to smarten it up, frame it up, and see if we can get a better price for it in auction. So it's just enough to present this to get it shifting in the sale. And then when we put the panel into the frame, I can feel that the panel is a little bit wobbly, so the panel is not level, and I need to hold it tight in the frame. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to do it in the classic way. I put spaces there and use nails to press the panel down and hold it in place with a nail nice and tight to the edge, and this allows me to slowly work around the panel and push it down so it gets level in the frame, and the frame is big and strong enough to just hold it level and keep it flush at the front, so you don't see a gap. Otherwise you'll have a gap in the front where the frame is bowed, and you don't want to see that in the front. You've got to keep it nice and tight so the front looks good. But this is the classic way of framing anyway. You go around with nails and tap them in, and then I'm using framer's tape here around the edges, and the real purpose of the framer's tape is just to stop the dust getting in. I'm covering over the edge, the point where the picture and the frame meet, and the dust can get in around the edge there and eventually work its way to the front. So just putting this tape prevents any of the dust getting in from the back and working its way around so that it becomes visible. It just keeps the picture in good condition for a little bit longer. And the client just wants to sell this in auction. It's going into auction in a couple of weeks' time, so we're really just presenting it for sale. So again, it's a sort of cosmetic job we're doing. See, the frame is only an imitation wood frame, it's not really wood frame, but it makes a big difference. You can see it's still a beautifully antique gold frame, and the two hunting dogs have come up beautifully bright. That clean and that new varnish has made those dogs shine a bit more. The colour comes out and you can see the perspective a bit more, and the gold frame really does set it off. It's quite amazing how much improvement a good frame to a painting really makes a big difference. There you can see it without a frame before cleaning. It's slightly duller, and here with the frame after cleaning it's brighter, and the frame just really sets it off and makes those dogs shine out. I think it's a lovely painting, and we'll look forward to seeing how it does in auction in a couple of weeks' time. Okay, thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.